Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Suzuki Boulevard C90T, 90 cubic inches, which is the same as 1,500 cc's. This big girl just arrived with only 5,200 miles. Beautiful two-tone paint scheme, silver and gray metallic. She's got the running boards, engine guards, touring windscreen, saddlebags, passenger backrest. This shaft drive C90 is fuel injected and liquid cooled. Come on by, make your big bore touring cruiser dreams come true for just $54.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Beautiful. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.